All right. So in this webinar, we are going to some market recap, and end of the session, I will do quick question answer session. So let's see. Okay, let's check from Euro USD. Okay, and gold, Bitcoin, Nifty. These are measure of pair. Okay, so let's see. Start from the higher time frame perspective. What happening here in a higher time frame? Okay, so right now this is a structure is here, and as you know, market momentum was shift here. The last structure was here, chop, and now continue going higher high. This was the previous lower high, lower low, push downside, and this is a chop. Okay, and after this chop, we are waiting for creating higher high. Okay. So finally, at this point, market create higher high is here, right? So what happening here and what are you expecting here? What are you looking here? Okay. So anybody wants to explain here, I will give you access. Because this will help you a lot for you and for other all members. Okay. Then after that, I will correct them. So anybody wants to explain on chart? Okay, me. Okay, so you can raise your hand, then I can enable your voice. So you can simply just explain through voice. Okay. So let's see one by one.
Hello.
Yeah.
Good morning, Mr. Khan.
Sorry.
Good morning. Here, after taking out the inducement, um, here it mitigated the extreme order block, and then it's going up.
Mhm.
We are going to see the data structure, probably. Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
the data structure.
Okay, so basically you are looking for buy here. I mean, bullish momentum you are expecting in higher time frame.
Yeah, already it's in the buying momentum. After it mitigated the extreme order block here,
Exactly.
this one.
Mm-hmm. Perfect.
Yeah, Mr. Khan, I have one doubt.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, in the you said order flow is very important rather than the order block. How
Mm-hmm.
to take without order block? Like we can go for can we go for single candle order block in order flow like that?
Mm-hmm.
Shall we go for it in the order flow?
Yes, yes, sir. Or we can take here for the buy because the higher time frame perspective is a bullish, right?
Yeah.
Because we are anticipating that market must be broke this one and create a break of structure right here. Okay,
Yes.
so
Yes.
basically everything looks bullish. Market tap on this PY is here, and tap on this PY gives direction. And what is this? This one. This is a basically SMT, like price tap here and gives a reaction and then failed. It means this is an indication that market actually looking for the continuation to the upside, right? So basically what happening here, if you are seeing here based on the structure formation in candlestick formation, so previous candle high broken and then candle close above it. So what happening here, this candle taken out the actual liquidity is here, right? It means if market came back here and tap here and gives you any indication for the buy, definitely we can buy here.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. My question was like, it's not in this particular chart. I mean, in normal, you can go for order flow. The order flow is more important, right?
Yeah.
So my request is to do one recap on Indian market.
Hmm.
Kindly my request.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, so this is happening here. Price tap on extreme PY is here after taking out the inducement, tap here, gives reaction and go higher. So market usually gives you reaction. You have to wait for market react. Okay, so tap here, gives reaction and continue going higher, high. Same thing happening here. This candle taken out the liquidity and you can take enter here for based on a candlestick formation. But if you are willing to buy based on a structure formation, then price must be taken out this pullback, right? This pullback, then fail this one and go extreme and then go higher, right? But I'm not interested here for buy. We are interested here for buy, okay, like this and continue go higher. Candle close above it. This become our valid peak of structure is here, right? When price type here, you can simply switch in a lower time frame and you can definitely buy here. And this is a SMT, right? Gives reaction. So this is an indication. First reaction to introduce new SMC trader. They put the stop loss just over it, and then what happened? Market go higher again, gives a reaction that are trying to sell here. But you can see bigger picture is a bullish. Then why you need to sell here? If you are willing to sell here, you can sell, but for the short term, not for the long term, because pro trend is a bullish, right? So simply you can wait for to mitigate this zone and then continue go higher based on a candlestick formation and higher time frame structure. Again, switch here in a 15-minute time frame, then we can expect what happening here. Okay. So and this is a zone, okay, when we can expect a reversal in a higher time frame. And right now, this is a 15-minute bullish time frame, and everything looks bullish here because the previous high was broken here. Okay, yeah. Okay, close above it, and after this, what happening here? You can see where is inducement. Inducement is here. So generally, we are looking for the buy and sell after taking out the inducement, right? Because market momentum is a bullish, taken out the inducement and tap on your extreme PY or decisional PY. So after this inducement, where is PY? This order block is a mitigate here, and this one is mitigate here. Everything is mitigate here, and right now, here, this looks. Let me show you exactly. Because this order block a proper imbalance is here right now. Okay, just below it, everything was mitigated here. So after taking out the investment, only one PY is here when we can take risk for the buy, and next PY where is extreme. In this case, you have to check on the bottom side, this one, right? And based on a 15-minute time frame. So market type here, on this decisional PY and gives direction, and we are looking here for buy to the upside, right? So simply you can also buy here, and this one is our extreme PY. And look at the 15-minute structure. What happening here? This looks like a equal, like similar, relevant equal low, and taking out the low and go higher. In this PY, we can buy here. This is a PY based on candlestick formation, and you can go for it till at least this high as a target. But if market actually looking for the more deeper downside, so simply in a two possible scenarios here, market continue to go higher, taken out this high and failed, and then push downside, and then came back to the extreme and then continue go higher. And the next possible scenario is here, if market like not going to downside, so simply we can expect continuation, inducement, and taken out and go continue higher high, right? So this is just like reference as per the higher time frame. There is a no guarantee that market came back this soon. You have to prepare in a both side, like what happening if market fail, if what happen if market close or below it. So you have to prepare in a both side probability. Okay. Right now, market momentum is a bullish, and we can expect to continuation go higher. And this one is also looks a trend line liquidity, right? So probably everyone looking for the like a sell buy after group this trend line and then fail and then continue go higher. So market basically trap all retailers. Okay, they introduce for buy here and then trap. So this one is also possible here. So you have to prepare in a both side probability. Okay. Now let's switch in our next currency pair as a GBUSD. And similar story in a higher time frame in a like a 15-minute time frame everywhere is a similar story. Okay, you can see the pre-op structure confirmed here in this case. So when we can buy in this case, we can buy here after taking out the inducement, because this low act like inducement. This is the first pullback is here after break of structure. So simply you can buy here, right? But if market not are taken out this low and continue go higher, and possible go higher, why? Let me show you exactly reason. Because this is not necessary that market break the structure and first low broken and then we can buy. We can also short term buy here till this high, right? Because sometime market take a pullback and go higher, take a pullback and go higher. One market taken out the inducement, then confirm this is our higher high. Okay, so until taken out this low, we can short term buy here like this. You can see buy, right? So this process will be applicable here. Similar story, and this become our peak of structure, and this is our higher high, and this become our higher low is here, right? Higher low, higher high, pick the structure, taken out the inducement, and where is our unmitigated order block? This one. This is the mitigated. So where is the next? We have to find the next one. This one. This one is also mitigated here. So where is next? On the extreme. Okay. Simply after taking out the inducement, we can buy here on the extreme order block. And why this is a more important? Because this order block, I mean this low taken out the liquidity, I mean taken out the previous low. That's why this is a more important. Okay, so taken out the inducement, tap here and we can buy here. And the next possible scenario is here, if market create a structure something like this and continue go higher high, possibly inducement and create here any order block is here. So this order block is our extreme and this become our engineering liquidity, right? And this is an extreme order block and this is become our decision order block. So you have to think in a both side probability, as you know. So if market tap here and gives a reaction here at this peak, simply you can buy here till this high, right? Because the candlestick formation, market taken out the liquidity, the previous candle low taken out here. Okay, so when market taken out the previous candle low or high, which act like a PEY, a strong zone for the buy and sell, simply you can buy here. Correct. Now switch here in a 15-minute time frame to see exactly what happening here. All right. So as per the 15-minute time frame, everything is a bullish here, and what happening right now? If you can see, the previous structure was here. This was our previous structure is here. But if you can see very closely, I think the last markup I share here in a Discord, this was previous high, candle close of it, and this become our valid break of structure here, right? That's why what happened here? In the first time sweep and next time candle close of it, but I said 2 times markup, but In the next time market, I share here, which was like some error, minor error, because I mentioned this was a boss and this is a higher high and higher low, right? But technically, okay, this was our higher high and higher low. Then again, market push higher. Okay, and this break of structure confirmed here. Okay, so this was become our new higher high is here, and taking out the inducement, push downside, and this high transfer here to here. Because in a first attempt sweep, the next attempt close our it. So this become our actual higher high is here. Right? Higher high is here. And this become our higher low. Right? Continue going higher high. In this case, where is our like inducement higher high? So in a first attempt, this was inducement, but market now taken out this inducement, and this become our SMT, right? Because you are buying based on without inducement. So you have to wait for taking out the inducement. Inducement create here, right? This is our inducement. And after taking out the inducement, our higher high is a confirm here, right? And after this inducement, where is our unmitigated order block in this case? Look at this bottom of the structure. This one, because this is an unmitigated order block, right? So this is our unmitigated extreme order block. If price type here, definitely if we can buy here to the upside based on a 15-minute structure. Price type here, sweep this low. So this is an indication that market just taken out this low, and this is an indication that market failed this low and possibly market pushed downside as per our daily time frame. As you know, this is a daily time frame reference. So market in this case came back this zone, and definitely then we can expect to the upside. But what happening right now and what we can expect here? We can expect here price type here failed, and you can sell here. When we can sell here? We can sell if market taken out the like a pullback. Where is pullback? This one. Why? Because this candle taken out the previous candle high. This is a valid pullback. At least market taken out this high, then we can sell. I think this is an inside bar, right? So this is a not a actual zone. This one is a perfect for this sell. Because this candle high and low both are protected, everything is creating between this candle high or low. So you have to wait for it to take out this high and then sell till this zone here, right? Because this is a daily time frame unmitigated shadow, right? So you can sell after taking out this high and tap on this order block, everything, then we can go downside. And another reference is here for the sell. This become our trend line. Trend line broken, people are looking for buy, you have to sell, right? So this is a trap for the buyers who are looking for the buy based on a trend line like this, and this is a channel type of pattern also. Okay, so you have to prepare here, break this trend line and taking out this high, you have to think in a sell side probability. So this is the current situation in our GBP/USD as per the 15-minute time frame. Now let's switch in another one is a gold. Okay, so this was failed setup is here actually the last time I said, and this was valid. I told, yeah, exactly. This was valid, and this become a failed, right? The first marker was set here, and the next marker was set here. This become a failed actually. It's okay. Now switch here in our daily time frame first to see exactly what happening here. Based on our daily time frame candlestick formation and structure formation, everything looks bullish, right? But what we can expect here? We can expect market can create a new all-time high. I mean, break the previous all-time high, this one, because everything is a bullish here, right? This was our previous inducement is here. If you can see a weekly picture, then you can understand more better and more clearly is here. Everything looks a bullish here. Okay, everything is a bullish here. And what happening here? This was our previous like pullback is here based on a weekly time frame. Taken out the pullback, right? And then what happened here? Market fill this imbalance. This one. And why? Because just below it, everything is mitigated here. Right. So you can mark this entire as an order block. Technically, this is an entire order block because this order block is already mitigated by this shadow. So we can switch another one until find the imbalance. So this become our actual order block. Pass tap here and go higher. And why this move happen here? Because market taken out this liquidity is here. I mentioned this also on so many times in a webinar everywhere, right? Because this is a SNR liquidity, support and resistance type of liquidity is here, right? Tap here, grab the liquidity and go higher because a lot of people are interested here for buy and buy because so many time rejection is there. Grab the liquidity and continue going high. And again, take the structure, right? The search up. So this is a higher time frame, and we can expect price must be broke this previous high, which was 2020. So we can expect market continue higher. So what happening here in a based on the daily time frame and what we can expect here? If you can see based on a daily time frame structure and candlestick formation, based on candlestick formation and structure formation, everything looks up bullish here, right? Finally, create higher high is here, and this become our previous higher low is here. And at this point, this become our previous lower high, lower low, and break the structure and chalk. This become our chalk. Go higher again, pick this high, and this become our break of structure is here. Okay. After break of the structure, what are you looking here? You are looking here for buy, but when buy? After taking out the inducement, where is the inducement? This one. But look at the candlestick formation is here. You can see the previous candle high is a sweep. I mean the previous day candle high sweep. It means probability is here for the short-term sell. Okay, based on candlestick formation, and this is a counter trend. You have to remember this is a 50-50% probability, right? But where is buy? You have to think buy this one because pro trend is a bullish and pros can be tapped here, similar Euro USD and GBP and then continue go higher like this. Okay, so simply if you are looking here for buy, set the target is here fixed and maximum target is here, right? But what are you looking here? Previous candle high sweep, this candle shadow act like a PY. You can sell here, but for the short term, right? But long term is a bullish. So let's see in a 15-minute time frame to see exactly what happening here. Okay, similar stories, UPUSD, EURUSD, gold, everything looks are similar. Previous day high sweep. Push downside, and what are you looking here? The higher high is a confirm here at this point, right? And after this, what happening here? Taking out the inducement, push downside, and first PY is here. I think this one here, higher high, because the pullback is here. Push downside and continue going higher high. This become our new break of the structure. Okay, and just below it, this is our chalk. Chalk push downside again. Now we are looking here for sell because everything is a change here. Bullish to bearish until this low, right? So generally we are looking here for sell till this low. I mean till this zone. This is a daily time frame perspective zone. Okay, so what are you looking here for? Right now, this become our lower low. Why? Because inducement taken out. Where is inducement? In this case, this one. So the previous candle high taken out. After taking out the inducement, we can sell here. Tap on this unmitigated shadow. Because above it, everything is mitigated here. Taken out the inducement, tap here and push downside again, break the structure, and this become our peak of the structure. Again, what happened here? Taken out the inducement. Taken out the inducement, push downside. But when we can sell here, we can sell here after tap on this PY is here. First one. And next one, if inducement sweep here, then you can go for it as per the single candle order block which was created here. Right? The third candle mitigation done here. Right? Here we can sell here till this low. So right now picture is a bearish still until taken out this low. If market again like trying to go higher, so price mitigate this zone, then you can also sell here till this low. This become our another break of structure here till this low. You can sell here. So this is a 15-minute story in a gold. Okay, now switch here in another where it's a bank nifty. Right. So first of all, check here in a daily time frame perspective, what happening here. So this is happening here in a bank nifty as per the daily time frame perspective. As you can see here, momentum is trying to go higher. Okay. Push downside and trying to go higher. But what are you looking here? This is a PY, I mean order block. Why? Because you can see this is a pullback like this. Taken out this pullback, mitigate this order block, and possibly to the downside. So we can expect to the downside if market gives an indication. And you can see the previous candle high taken out. It means very like high probability that next day market can respect this zone before downside. If risk create anything is here, like this is a daily time frame, if market create chalk here in a 5-minute time frame, okay, then we can go for it sell. Otherwise we have to wait for it. Like if market open gap up, okay, then you don't need to wait for it. I mean, you don't need to sell. You have to wait for to create like a opportunity in a buy and sell. Okay, everything looks bearish here as per the plan, everything. And you can set the target for the short term. Again, short term, this one, because this is a SMT order block, and maximum target is here. This is our extreme order block is here. I mean, extreme unmitigated shadow is here, right? So possibly market can test this one in upcoming months, right? But if market go higher, break this one, right? Again, take out the inducement and go higher. So everything convert here it is bullish, right? If market close over it, I'm sorry, due to some internet connection. Everything is fine now, everyone. Okay, thank you. Okay, so last time when when internet connection is broken, so I will explain that point. Okay. Okay, so I will explain again. A bank nifty is here because gold till gold everything was fine. I'm sorry, due to internet connection is very bad in my zone. Okay, so this is happening here in a bank nifty, and as you know, everything is bearish as per the this move. But right now, candlestick formation, everything looks bullish, right? So what we can expect here? If you can see the previous higher high is here and higher low is here, and then what happened here? Market break this high and create break of structure. So when market break the structure, then we are looking for the buy after taking out the inducement. Inducement was here, right? After this inducement, where is our block? First PY is here. Tap here, gives selection failed. And the next one on a extreme. This is our extreme order block is here. So generally, we are willing to buy here on the extreme one. But right now, what happening here? Look at this pictures here. At this point, market taken out the inducement, tap here, unmitigated order block, and a market also break the previous candle high, see this high. So generally we can sell here. If market create 5-minute chalk here in a next day open, then you can sell here till this low, at least first and maximum is here, right? So this is a possible scenario is here for the like a sell. Okay, and another thing you have to remember, if you draw the trend line is here like this. So a lot of people are interested here for the sell. So how you can deal in this situation? You can also sell here, but where is the next possible scenario? Look at this one. Two possible scenarios here. If market actually looking for the upside, then what a possible scenario? Then you will see gives reaction and fail, and then again continue to go higher. Why? Because this high act like a major inducement like a liquidity, and this is an unmitigated order block because just above it everything is mitigated. So possibly this is happening here, break this low and then tap here and go higher, because this is a very important zone for the buyers and seller. A lot of people are trying this or trend line is here because price tap here and people are looking here for sell. Also order block is here. So this is also work here. Okay, but you have to check here in a lower time frame confirmation before enter. Okay, so if market create like 5-minute chalk here, then you can sell for the short term. Okay, market induce the people for the buy and sell generally. Tap here, give selection and then go higher. Okay, and then possible sell here also on this order block, and maximum buy is here. This is our high probability buy because price tap on your extreme POI. Okay, so you have to prepare in a both side probability is here. But next day, what happening here? You can sell here, but for after 5-minute confirmation. Okay, right now this is a like liquidity zone for the buyers and sellers. So you have to think very carefully. And if I switch here in a 15-minute to 5-minute time frame, okay, is a look at this one. This is a 5-minute. Break this one. Okay. If you can see here in a 5-minute time frame, Okay. So what happened here and what you can expect here? This one is our zone here for this cell, and this order block is mitigate here, and above it everything is mitigated here. There is a no unmitigated order block. Everything is mitigated here. So possibly can market break this low, break this low, taken out the inducement and sell like this. And next one is here. Market go higher, sweep this high, push downside and break this low, chalk, taken out the inducement and sell here. This is also possible scenario here as per the 5-minute time frame, right? But what happen if market like a open gap up, right? So how you can deal? You can deal like this, type here, chalk and go higher, like this. Okay, so based on a 5-minute time frame. Now going to switch in a sorry, BTC USDT, the next one. Let's check in a daily, weekly one. Okay, first check in a weekly time frame. What happening here? As per the weekly time frame, what happening here? Based on a structure, nothing changed here. This was our last order block was here, which is already failed here. Right, type here keep selection failed. So when we can sell here, first of all, you have to mark up like a inducement. So this kind of broken this one. First pullback is here, right? And this one is our actual pullback, like this candle taken out the liquidity, and this will become our valid pullback. First pullback is here, and this is a minor measure, and you can sell here, right? So simply, if price tap here around this zone, definitely you can go for it, sell, right? And a current story, what happening here? Look at the candlestick behavior here in a weekly time frame. Nothing is a change here. Everything looks like a in a ranging, right? Because a lot of people are trying to sell here based on a order block is also right. But look at the candlestick behavior. The previous candle high sweep here, sell, low sweep, buy. So right now there is no like clear indication as per the weekly time frame based on our candlestick. So we can't take entry here for the buy and sell. But look at this previous candle high sweep here, sell, low sweep here, and buy. So both side is a probability. This pullback is taken out. If market came back this zone, tap here. So this is a more strong zone for the buy till this one. Okay. If I switch here in a 4-hour, like other time frame, in a lower time frame, look at this one. In a 4-hour time frame, you can trade like if you are willing to sell or buy based on a like as a day trader, right? Then you can go for it as a 4-hour and 15-minute for entry. Like so, this is a previous high or low structure, high or low sweep and sell or buy. Like this one is a buy, and this candle shadow as a PY for sell. Right now, everything in a ranging. If market sweep this one, and the next one is here. This is everything is internal, right? Internal with an internal. There is no change here. Like previous low sweep here, buy here till this high. So there is nothing clear structure is here. So you have to wait for it to like taken out the high or low. Then you can go for it buy or sell. Right now there is no clear opportunity. Okay. Now let's start the question answer, and there is no more analysis. After that, finish this one. I will start. After finish the question answer, I will finish the stream. I watch your last single candle mitigation auto block and video every time. Refine 15 minutes into 1 minute and enter buy or sell using 1 minute and minute or however some video Instagram directly. Enter buy sell using higher time frame. Could you please explain? Yes, sir. Sir, I explained two scenario. If you watch the recent YouTube video also, where I also mentioned the previous candle high or low, right? So important. Let me show you exactly. Okay, so this is a bullish candle, and this is a bearish candle. Is here. So in this case, what happening here? Look at this one. The previous candle high was here, which is taken out. It means you can sell, and this moves a sometime is a tap here anywhere like any unmitigated PUI, or maybe it's an inducement, like, right? So how you can deal? You can simply like switch here this one. If price mitigate this shadow, you can go for it directly, right? There is no need inducement. But if price not sweep this one, like not mitigate this one like this, then what happen here? This entire candle act like a single candle order block, and the next candle open here. For example, this one, and this mitigate here like this, right? So in this case, you need inducement before sell. Okay, but if price tap here like this, then no need inducement because you are selling directly here. You have to refine here in a 1 minute time frame, right? You can sell there. BTC, there are a lot of internal structure. Can you? Yes, sir. I recently explained there is a no opportunity in a Bitcoin in a higher time frame, in a lower time frame. Everything looks in a ranging. In that case, you have to wait for it to clear direction before enter. Structure mapping houses low, high, low. सर स्ट्रक्चर मैपिंग आपको टॉप या बॉटम से ही स्टार्ट करनी है, जहां से मार्केट ड्रॉप होती है या फिर जहां से राइज करती है. I mentioned, and everyone like who's on recently community, so you have to watch webinar 28 and 31 where I explain 160 plus question answer in a detail. So those webinars are very helpful for everyone. Everyone must watch them. Nifty and Nifty, sir, no more analysis, sir. There are a lot of analysis. So if I started, but majorly I focus to show you all things you can apply in every like stock, forex pair, everywhere. Process are similar as I explained in a bank Nifty. Please do flip entry when you have a time, like you did for single candle auto block. Okay, sir. And flip entry are very common, and you have seen a lot of time flip entry you will see in a forex pair. Mostly you will see in a flip entry model. Supply convert into demand, and demand convert into supply. Mention in an ebook and videos, everything. But I will make a lot of different example for you after finish the Ramadan month. because in a Ramadan entire month I'm very busy because I'm not able to trade even, but I manage every week a webinar for you. Sir, can we take entry according to IFC candle every time when you? Yes, sir, you can take entry 15-minute as higher time frame and permit for entry. Sir, no more analysis because everyone request analysis different pairs. So it's a very tough for every time. Okay, Aussie USD. Because it's take a lot of time actually. You can ask another related question answer related. This is our 15-minute structure is here. Look at this one. If I start here structure mapping, then where you should start mapping the structure. Everyone mark here the structure is. Everyone mark the structure. Where is our actual structure and where is our higher high, higher low, lower lows, and chalk pause, everything. One by one, everyone mark here. Let me enable annotation. Okay, now you can annotate here. Please explain 15-minute entry, same time as structure. Sir, 15-minute entry, you can sell after taking out the inducement on decisional PY or on extreme PY directly. If you don't want to switch in a 1 minute time frame, then you can directly sell or buy directly. I will show you exactly once market structure is clear here, and I will show you. And if you want to directly buy or sell, then I will suggest you go for it extreme. Boss chalk sweep with long candle make confusion. Sometimes IDM selection and higher low after long candle are very tricky. Could you please explain? Sir, long shadow until a candle closer, you have to wait for it. Okay, if not candle closer, sweep the higher low, then you have to think for the buy and sell because shadow like liquidity graph is an indication for the reversal and continuation. My question is the same apply for when you get a chalk. When you have a pause, okay, you get a new high low exactly. For the chalk, my question is the same apply when you get it. Yes, sir. For chalk is also applicable same thing. Candle closer. If not candle closer, then sweep, then you have to buy again and sell, buy, sell. Can you make at least one video all type entry? Sir, all types of entry is already explained, like flip, chalk, sweep, everything is already explained, even single candle mitigation in a videos and ebook, everything. XUSD 15-minute time frame sweep, but candle close at equal low level. Let me check XUSD after this one. Okay, so right now this is happening here. Okay. This is higher high and this is higher low. Why? Because this is single leg move here. There is a no chalk. There is a no like previous high broken break of a structure. Higher, lower high, higher low. Take the structure, go higher. Taken out the inducement, fail. And after fail this inducement, what you are looking here for? This is the first PY where you're looking for buy, fail. You can sell. Push downside, take this one until this one extreme. You can sell here. Taken out the induce, sorry. This one is an inducement. Tap on decisional PY, previous high sweep here. This side will act like a PY, tap here, sell till this low. So this is a like internal structure, but there are a lot of opportunity here for sell till this extreme mitigation. The previous low is there. Just sweep the low. So there is no reversal. I mean, there is a no clear confirmation for the chop. Just sweep the low. So this is an indication that market can be tap here and go higher. Right now, there is no chop reversal confirmation. Everything looks a bullish still in a higher time frame, but internally this was a bearish and you can buy sell short term. Right now, you have to wait for it to break this low, either break this high. If break this high, taken out this low, tap on this order block and go for it, buy till maximum this high. Okay. How to find the PY field? Do you need when closer or no, sir? For PY field, so no need a candle closer. For example, here, if you can see here, this one is our inducement was here, right? And after this inducement, where is our order block? Everything is a bullish, everything is immediate here. This is a first PY, right? Tap here, gives direction, and next shadow broken. It means this is a not able to go higher. This is an indication that market are not able to hold this one. If broken this low, means everything is a chills, and you have to prepare in a sell side. Okay, but this thing is not applicable here on extreme because until broken the major low. Okay, because if failed here, then you have to think in a sell side because till the extreme low, this one you can sell. But if same thing happen here on extreme, like tap here failed, then how you can deal in this situation? Either market break the high, then you can go for it sell for the short term because this is an indication that market can go lower till this low at least because major high low are still protected. Market not follow any single time frame like 1 minute and 15 minute or 4 hour. Okay, so if failed here on a decisional, then you can go for it sell. If failed on extreme, then you have to wait for to create structure before enter. Daily liquidity, sir. Daily liquidity already explained. First, you have to study the content in a Hindi and English. Okay. So first of all, you have to study them and backtest them and at least watch the previous past 5 webinar at least. Okay. If price is not breaking the high point, then no one internal structure is not an ideal. Yes, sir. Okay, so I think I have to finish this stream and I will upload on Discord. If you late join, then you can rewatch this one. I will upload in a Discord as soon as possible. Okay, everyone. All right. So Now I'm going to finish this one. Relation with DXY currency. So I don't use DXY. I directly focus on pair which I am trading, like JPUSD and USD. Mostly I trade. So you have to stick on your pair. You don't need to see correlation, because correlation is also you have to mark them and identify them what's going on. So it will be more better if you focus on your major pair which you are trading. There is no guarantee DXY, if you are predicting is a bullish, there is no guarantee that market Euro USD will be bearish or bullish as per the DXY correlation, because different correlation work. Some fundamental. Okay, everyone, thank you so much for attending this webinar, and I will upload on Discord as soon as possible. Thank you, everyone. Please upload high quality video, not 720. Sir, I try to upload in a max quality, but Zoom record, I think, is a 720 max, I think. But let's see if there is any setting, then I will enable and upload in a week. Thank you, everyone.